All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Miserable. 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 Like very sad. Sad. Miserable. There we are. Miserable. Oof. Very sad. Yeah. He looks miserable. There we are. He looks miserable. He has been miserable since then. She is always miserable in the morning. They never feel miserable. I am not miserable. Yeah. He, she, it can make people miserable because the film is quite sad. Yeah. They are often miserable. Because things are so hard and difficult for them, they feel miserable. Miserable, yeah. She used to be miserable, but not anymore. She used to be miserable, but then things changed in her life, and she became happier. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Are you feeling miserable today? Yeah. She is somewhat miserable, but she is getting better. Yeah. How cool is that? If that were to happen, then they would all be miserable. Now, I don't want to be around miserable people. Yeah. It is not good for your mind or happiness. Yeah, they are too miserable for me. Ugh. They're too sad. They're too sad. So no thank you. No thank you. Yeah. When I feel miserable, I go to the gym and I often feel better after going to sleep. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So miserable. Yeah. Now, can you use miserable in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.